Another Precision Hunter. We're doing the deep penetration at 100 yards between the 243 and the 6mm arc. So if y'all don't mind, hit that like and subscribe button as well. It helps the channel out a lot. And y'all can check out the description down below. Get more information on this video.
Alright, here we go. Precision Hunter 243 versus the 6mm arc. We're at roughly 100 yards. We're doing deep penetration into our ballistic wooden gel block. $6mm arc and 243. There's not a complete pass through. We'll take this back to the house and take a look at it.
243, 6mm arc, both ELD-X, 100 yards. Here we go. Let's see what we got going on. Yeah, that's turned into a monster hole right there, right out the gate. That's pretty good. And we're into board number 2. These are some big dang holes. That one's hitting right next to the knot, but it's not in the knot. And we cleared board number 2. Nope, that's it right there. That's a solid. And if you're wondering if it hit a knot, with that knot being right there, here we are in the board number 3. Wham, wham. And that's, I'm impressed. Okay, that's a 6mm arc. There we go right there. So that is into the third board and not out the third board. The 6 arc is in right there. You can see the base of it right there. All right, folks, here we go. Got that one dug out. What we got left on the weight, yes, it's got wood in it, so this ain't even going to be accurate or anything at all, but that chunk is 77.2, and we got 45. This one got stuck in the third. That's the 243 right there. And the 6mm arc actually made it into the fourth board. That's at 100 yards. And I know there's that knot right there that was right by it, but it didn't come in contact with the knot. So that kind of surprised me that it went further. But I guess since this bullet's going, this is over 3,100 feet per second. This one's about 2,800 feet per second. I'm guessing that's why. I mean, it's just the extra 300 feet, 350 feet per second just caused it to lose mass a lot faster than this one going at 2,800 feet. That's about it that I can figure out on that one, but that's your deep penetration on the 6mm arc and the 243, the Precision Hunter from Hornady.